Guys, I'm really sorry the camera's shaking in this video towards the beginning. Just watch it. I promise it gets better. It's a really good video, at least I think. I got my mom to record the rest, but just bear with me and watch the video. Alright, goodbye. Again, and today we're doing something a little different. We're going to be making DIY Play-Doh. So, this is really easy, and so there's two ways to make this. You can make the edible version, and that's when you're going to play with it. So I really don't suggest making it because you're going to be touching it with your hands. So yeah, maybe not make that. But then you can also make the non-edible version. So yeah, here we go. Let's start. Guys, hold up. Subscribe, like duh. And the recipe for this video is 2½ cups of flour, 1½ almost a half cup of water, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and coloring if you want, and scent if you want. Remember, you can use vanilla extract or soap scent, which is like, essence or like essential oils. That's it. Yeah. And then you can use food coloring or soap colorant. So yeah, subscribe and like and subscribe. Yeah, that was it. Oh, and also quick shout out to Audrey DIY. She has a lot of cool things on her channel. I did not steal this video from her because she doesn't have a video like this. So yeah, just go check out that channel. It's really cool. I need my whole bowl because this is getting really sticky somehow. Yeah. So, I think it's kind of good right now. Now, if you think my hands are kind of messy, but this is the first time when you make it, it gets messy. And then, once you play with it like another time, it won't stick to your hands. And if it does stick to your hands are probably wet. This, I think, is about good. You just want to add a consistency where it starts to not stick to your hand. I think that's kind of what's happening. Now, if you see chunks of flour, mix it in. And if it's just that, if there's a lot of chunks of flour, you probably didn't add enough food coloring. I think I did. Yeah, I think I did. If you're keeping it, if you keep it for I made this yesterday. I made this one yesterday. I added some flour today because it got sticky. So overnight it gets a little sticky. So you gotta add just like this much flour and you're good to go. This is, I guess, how you make edible Play-Doh. But next we're going to do a test. I'm going to wash my hands and we're going to see if it sticks. Okay, now we're going to do the test. So let's find out if this is actually good. Now, let's test. Oh, this is the batch I made yesterday, by the way. So, test the blue one first. Clean. Let's play with it a little more. No, wait. Look, nothing. Oh wait, fine. One. Let's test my green one. This one's a bit more stretchy. I don't know why. Boom. Oh, sorry. Nothing. So these are stick-proof and organic and natural, I guess. But not when you add soup. So soap coloring and that scent. But you know, vanilla extract is good, and food coloring. Unless you don't want food coloring, your kids get into food coloring, or if you, yeah. All right. So that's the end of the video. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it. Make sure to subscribe. Watch my other video, Hacks for Slither.io. So yeah, bye.